for the fiance is troubling, and even more troubling, and the whole purpose of this commentary is what appears to be the exercise to the frustration of justice of the right to counsel. And I know that that's on a lot of people's minds, that there's a lawyer who intervened on behalf of the fiance Brian when law enforcement wanted to speak with him, and he essentially had his parents issue a statement from this attorney that said, no comment, I'm invoking my right to silence. Now let's talk about what your right to silence is. Your right to silence is your constitutional, your God-given and recognized by our Constitution right to not incriminate yourself. And something that our founders gave us was this right to silence, because when people are questioned or have to speak in public or have to speak in a courtroom, they exhibit things like shaking, like sweating, like nervousness, sweaty palms, sweaty face, sweaty armpits, the same kind of behavior, that someone who's guilty might exhibit. And that's the reason why the founders gave us this recognized this right to silence, this right not to give incriminating evidence against ourselves when we are the sole target of an investigation, facing the formidable power and almost inexhaustible resources of the United States government or local law enforcement. When you're the target of discovery, when you're the target of an investigation, it can feel crushing and overwhelming. And there's nothing wrong with invoking your right to silence. It treads lightly on frustrating justice, which I think a lot of people feel has occurred here.